Hey everyone, my name is Kai, and my channel, Kai Explores Life, and I'm exploring gardening and on our little patio or around our little patio. So, right now, I just want to show you how we have started our little garden and using a smaller enough space because we just wanted to make sure that whatever we do, we can kind of contain it just in a smaller area. We didn't really want to do a whole lot back there because it's a lot of shade, of course, there's a lot of trees back there, but at least it is something that we could do if we wanted to move things further back. I'm just here to show you how we started our little garden as a beginner. We've made lots of mistakes and we're learning, and that's the whole purpose of it because you don't start off knowing everything. And I'll be appreciating people who leave comments about little things that I've shown and things that I could do better. We take all of the suggestions as long as people are being nice about it because we're learning. But yeah, so I want to just show you some of the things that we've done, some of the mistakes that we've made, some of the supplies that we've used, and some of the things that we're choosing to grow. We're in zone 8 in Georgia. So what I learned about that is certain things grow better in according to whatever zone they're in. And yeah, you can see that the sun is coming out, so I'm about to either get under the shade or go in the house. But I'm gonna show you as much as we have done so far. And we have other plans and different ideas about what we're gonna do. One thing that I learned that kind of was annoying is the pests. Pest control is something that we haven't yet perfected. And we found a nasty little worm in the potatoes, and it tore those potatoes up. So we decided that we're not going to plant potatoes right now. The bug infestation was our first big lesson, and one that we are working to perfect so they don't tear up everything that we are trying to grow. We will figure it out. But I did find a lot of different things at Home Depot, and Home Depot has a lot of fertilizers, a lot of bone meal, and worm castings that you can use. And then it also gave me an idea to use cinder blocks and wood to elevate our garden. And I also learned that you need to put holes in these containers so the water drains out, and a certain type of container is necessary. The number 2, 4, or 5 should be on a container, letting you know that it's okay to plant vegetables. And we are going through a whole lot of soil, so we're learning about composting, and that compost is good with all of your food scraps, at least the ones that will help the soil and help your garden grow. But we are spending a lot of money on soil, so we have to learn how to grow or make compost. And that has been a game changer for some of the things that we already started with. And also keeping the soil moist with water before you plant them. And then adding the fertilizer and the castings to the soil so it will help. And we have to do this for the fertilizer every 3 weeks or so because it rains a lot in Georgia. And because of that, the plants are going to need more fertilizer to keep it, growing healthy, delicious vegetables. So I'm glad we learned that. And also to help cut back on soil, we can use wood and cardboard to help with, growing the vegetables and the food that we're doing, because that will definitely cut back on soil. When we started off planting seedlings, we planted way too many tomato seedlings and put them all in these different containers, which was too much. So we ended up replanting them individually in cups, and we'll give some of these away, but we're not planting them anymore all grouped together in one container. These cinder blocks and these wood things that we're using to elevate our pots is a good idea, and we'll probably do a lot more to help extend our garden. And I'm just so glad that we are learning these different lessons and finding containers in our house that we can use so we don't have to spend so much money on everything. But yeah, this is really fun to grow your own food. And beginning gardening is a wonderful hobby to take on. These are cucumbers. They were replanted and they haven't yet bounced back. I'm not sure what those are yet. Marigolds, tomatoes, and we got a lot of tomatoes in here. We just didn't know any better. Tomatoes, basil, rosemary, and we got a little bit of tomatoes in here, basil, red sweet peppers, marigold. Waiting for these to hopefully come back, the cucumbers. Once we replanted them, they weren't happy about it. Sunflowers, he's struggling a little bit. More cucumbers. And that's what we took them out of to try to replant them, but we don't know what's gonna happen. Got some mint there and more tomatoes in these little cups, and we're gonna give these away to people instead of trying to plant them. You see, we overdid it with the tomatoes. Those are green peppers. Not sure what those are. My daughter planted them. These are watermelon seedlings. I used a pineapple that was from the store, and I just wanted to see what it would do, so I'm gonna probably take this out of here. The bugs really took over this one right here, so I'm not sure how they're going to survive or if they're going to survive. And believe it or not, this is corn, but the pot is small and I'm gonna have to repot that. I even think we might need to plant the corn in the ground. So this is our test run garden to see what it will be like as beginner gardeners. And we'll see how it turns out. And we'll learn the biggest lessons from this right here. No big problem with houseplants. But everybody knows houseplants and gardens outdoors are a little different. We've had this for so long, and that bad boy has gotten so tall. We've had this since maybe 2016. It's time for a new pot. This wildflower. Yeah. So, if you are like us, beginner gardeners, learning how to grow your own food, and you've started planting even in a small space, I would love to hear what y'all have done so far. And if you have any suggestions, we welcome them. Be kind, please be kind. And trust me, this is going to get better. I know, we're going to get better. And oh, I do have a shade cloth to put over here when it gets hotter, because this is Georgia, and I'm sure it's going to get above 90. But we have a 40% shade to go over this. We haven't put it up yet, but we will, because it's like only been in the 80s, 85, stuff like that. It has been in the 90s in the past, but yeah, we're going to be protecting those so the heat don't do too much damage. If you are subscribed to my channel, thank you. I know this is different from what I used to do, but this channel is Kai Explores Life, so there'll be a lot of different things. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are just stopping by, looking around, I hope you take the time out to at least like the video if you so choose. And if you have the option, hype this bad boy up. There's a hype feature now that people can do. And if you want to, subscribe and put your notifications on and come back and see how this garden grows. Yeah, we got to be growing our own food now. We do. And in the meantime, everyone, good mental health, good spiritual health, and as always, good physical health. Y'all take great care.